Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Promeet and what you see over here is a newly CB125 Hornet. It has been unveiled by Honda and there are 4 color options. This is the best as far as I feel, and you can just look at it looking so nice with this rear cowl. That is how exactly the bikes look like from the side. And if I can just read out the specs, I'll not read it out. You can read it for yourself. You can just pause the video and see what exactly does this get. So 125cc, this is 123.94cc, 8.2 kilowatt, 11.2 Nm of peak torque, 5-speed gearbox. It gets a disc at the front, a drum at the rear, and tire size is 80 by 100 and the rear is 110 by 80. Tubeless tires both front and back. You get USD forks at the front, which again you're getting on a 125cc motorcycle. And now let's check it out. So at the front, these are the DRLs. That is the headlight, low beam, high beam. That's the upside down fork. That looks really amazing, especially with this color option. You can also see you get these alloy wheels right over here. You get a disc at the front. This side will be a little clear. So that is the alloy wheel. That is the pedal disc brake that you get. That's the 125cc air cooled engine. You also get the Hornet badging over here on the cowl, and that is the fuel tank. Looks really nice. It's got a very good shape to it. Seat looks very comfortable, as you can see. Get some cushion, and the rear seat is here. However, this cowl is right on top, so it's actually looking good with the cowl. So if you're going solo, you can put that on. CB125 badging right over here. Alloy wheels finished in this neon color, both front and back. It is actually looking very nice. That is the rear section. That's the tail light of the motorcycle. Again, a full LED cluster. That's your indicators, again LED. Thank God everything is present in LED. That's your exhaust. It's a short exhaust. And Honda says that they have worked upon the exhaust note, so it gives a slightly more bassy exhaust note. And that is the cluster of the motorcycle. Full digital cluster. You get ABS over here, neutral light, your turn indicator, check engine light right over here. Lot of information. That is how the switchgear quality looks like on the left hand side. And that's the horn. That's the high beam and low beam. That is the clutch. And that is how the ignition on cluster looks like. There's no fancy things going on over here. It's a simple cluster, gives you a lot of information. That is the kill switch and the start button switch as well. However, you don't have any other switches over there. And that's how the exhaust note sounds like. And that is how the motorcycle sounds like. Well, however, we cannot do it right now. We cannot start it up and rev it right now, but thanks to this guy who did that for us. That is how the DRL looks like at the front, and that is the low beam. This is your high beam, and the indicators are on top. That is your small cowl. That's your knuckle guards. Overall looks very nice. You get these bar end mirrors. Actually looks very nice from the front, especially with this upside down fork. And this is how it looks from the side. So yeah guys, this was the all new Honda CB125 Hornet. Let us know in the comment section, how did you like the CB125 Hornet from Honda? It's been unveiled. Prices are not out, but they will be out very soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our social media channels. I'm Promeet signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and ride safe.